Alright, this is going to be a quick and to the point video on how to replace the hood seal on your Challenger. As you know, I try to avoid the dealer, but if your car is still covered under warranty, the dealer will replace it for you. This car here is my 2015 Scat Pack, and the parts listed in the description below will work for 2008 and up Challengers. Now, the hood seal prevents additional dust and water spray from entering the engine bay. It's not totally necessary, but if you're like me and love a clean engine bay, it's totally worth the 45 bucks in parts and 1 hour it takes to replace. If your hood seal is starting to crack, I would order one and have it on standby. If it's separated and flapping on the hood while you drive, I recommend ripping it off right away to prevent damage to your paint. When you receive the part, most likely it's going to be rolled up to save on oversized package shipping cost. It's going to be all wavy and curled up, but that's okay. Just make sure the plastic is intact and there's no cracks, especially near the holes from the packer rolling it up too tightly. To fix this, just lay it on a flat surface or hang it until you're ready to install. Laying it on a hot driveway really speeds up the process. When you're placing your order for the seal, you also have to head over to Amazon and pick up the proper nylon rivets. I have what I thought to be every size clip and rivet imaginable in my bins, but I was amazed to find out that none of them worked here. The rivets needed are relatively long, as they need to go through 3 layers and sandwich the nose and the seal in place. I've got a link to the Chrysler 3/16 nylon rivets and a good but inexpensive plastic rivet tool in the description below. The best part is that every time you use these links to buy the tools and the parts that I use in my videos, Amazon gives me a small % of the profit, which I in turn put back into this channel to buy mods, parts, and recording gear. So I really appreciate every purchase you guys make using the links in the description. Alright, so let's get to it. The first step is to drill out the rivets. You want to select the drill bit that fits into the rivet holes tightly. You don't want to hammer out the rivets. You may risk cracking the frame beneath the seal, and you don't want to try to pry them out because they are really tight. The drill, I found, is the quickest and safest method to remove these rivets. Once all the rivets are drilled out, just carefully pull out the old seal and put it off to the side. Then you want to clean the area to prep for the new seal. After the seal hangs around for a while, it's going to be nice and straight and ready to install. Simply line up the holes and start inserting the rivets. When you're using the rivet tool, just make sure you're applying pressure downward to seat the rivet firmly against the hood seal before you squeeze it. To seat the rivet and snap off the head, it may require more than one squeeze on the rivet tool. That's it. There's nothing more to this install. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please gently press that like button. If you're stopping by for the first time, check out some of my other content. If it works for you, consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching.